Hello, my name is Holly Walsh, and I'm here today to talk about the Google Calendar versus the Yahoo Calendar. The Google Calendar allows multiple calendars to be created. You can integrate it into Gmail. You can create events and invite people. You can share your calendars with whoever you would choose. You can color code your events to be able to separate them from personal, business, kids, etc. It is also integrated into the Google Classroom, and you can access it on any device through an app or a browser. It is also web-based. The Yahoo Calendar, you can create multiple calendars as well. You can integrate it into the Yahoo Mail. You can choose the color of your background. And also with Google as well, you can color code your events with the Yahoo Calendar too. You can also share your calendar with others. You can use it on any device through your browser or app. You can take notes, but you cannot attach anything like you can do with Google Calendar. And the winner is, for my choice, is the Google Calendar. The reason behind this is that the Google Calendar has so many different features than Yahoo, and you can do so much more with it. I prefer to use Google Calendar because it is easier to manage and use. Your appointments, events, and schedule are easy to put into a calendar, and you can integrate it with your device. So now we're going to get started on how to use the Google Calendar. First, you need to have a Google account set up, and if you don't, sign up for one. Google's free. So we're going to sign in, and we're going to click in the left-hand corner with the icon that looks like a square, and you're going to click on Calendar. Which is right there. And then we can now start working with the Google Calendar. So now we're going to create and edit. It comes with only one default calendar that is linked to your Google account. It is up to you, but you can create as many calendars as you like. In order to create a new calendar, you need to click on the arrow, My Calendars. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go to My Calendars, which is here. I have my name, birthdays, reminders. This is where we will start to give this is where you're going to start giving your calendar a name or title, whatever it is. So we're going to create let's see here. Going back to the classic calendar, we're going to create, and I'm going to say on January 15th, 2018, from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. is my daughter's birthday. Rebecca's 17th birthday. So that is our event. And time zone, you can put is Eastern Standard Time, of course, where I live. So now we're going to enter a location, my house, and we're going to be celebrating my daughter's birthday, which is the event. And you can either add guests, invite others, modify the event. Event color, I'm going to do purple. And notifications, I'm going to put 10 minutes. And You can do your available, busy, calendar default, public, or private, which I'm going to leave it as that. And I'm going to hit save. And it is now in January 15th. Next, to share your calendar, the same thing. Click on Settings on the blue tab. And this is where all my calendars are listed. You want to choose which calendar you want to share and then click Shared, which I don't want to share, but other of you might want to share. Hit Save. And if we edit it, you can hit Share if you want to share. Next, we're going to be syncing your Google Calendar to your device. So we're going to log into the Google site using your account that you signed up for. And then you're going to click More, the top menu, and go to that's More Calendar, and then you're going to follow the instructions and subscribe to the calendar feed. Use new calendar. Oh, I don't want to upgrade right now. Settings. See calendar default. Change only events. I don't want to have an alternate calendar. Here we go, sharing, shared, edit settings. And then we can either make this calendar public, share this with everyone in your organization. My email address, so I'll put my email address. Okay. Which is there. And it's going to be shared with that. And then we're going to go to other calendars. Other calendars. And we are going to confirm that my subscription is working okay. So like I said in here, to do your settings, we're going back, mobile setup. Nope, I'm going to import. Settings, mobile setup. So my phone number is going to send a verification code to my phone, which I need to get. And then you put the code into here and finish setup. So now everything is going to be saved and sent to my phone as well. When we want to do for settings, we want to go to the symbol that looks like a gear. This is where you can change the spacing, color, comfort, cozy, and set things how you like them. So let's go back and go to settings. Right here, display, comfortable, compact, cozy, settings. And it seems like everything is how I want it. I want to develop the month for you 4 days ahead. And I'm going to save. And when you have troubleshooting issues, what were to happen if you had a trouble with your calendar and nothing showed up or you couldn't see any of your events? There's a great website to help you sort through your troubleshooting issues. Here is the link below. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a good day.